to show you how to play Daydream Believer by the Monkees. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the little introduction that they have there because it kind of sets the stage harmonically. We're going to go G, D, G, D in the left hand, and all we're doing is we're putting in the chord in the right hand. G, B, D, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go to a D7 with a G added, a fourth added there. So we're going from a G harmony to a D7 harmony. And all we do to put it together is we just play the G. There it is. That's all it is for the introduction. And you just kind of swing it. And they keep that going, but I can't play the melody and keep that going, so I put some little fills in there that make it seem like it's still there. But let's go to the melody next. B, 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 G, B, G, A, G, A, B, D, G, G, C. And then I'll throw in just two of those. D, D, E, G, G, A, B, A, F sharp, B, D. There's a fill right there. And then B, B, G, B, G, A, G, A, B, D, G, G, C. Throw in another two of these. B, 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 C, B, A, G, F sharp, A, G. And then we've got that little run with ninths. So in the right hand, you're going to play B, A, B, C, B, A, G. And then in the left hand, you're going to play, it's going to be like third. Actually not ninths, but tenths right there. We've got the interval is a tenth, which is a nice sound. So you're playing G, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, E. Put it together. And then we're into the melody for the chorus. E, E, F sharp, E, E, D. C, C, D, D, B, G, A, G, D, E, C, D, C, B, C, D, C, C, B, A. So there you've got the melody for the whole thing, and then all we do is we play a verse and then a chorus and then a verse and then a chorus and then another chorus, and then they fade out the ending with a tag chorus. But we'll go ahead and put a tag on the end of it. So we'll start off together, hands together. A minor, B minor, B, D, F sharp, so G, B, D, A, C, E, B, D, F sharp, C, E, G. And let's see. But we're going to, instead of going up to that C, we're going to drop down C right here. And then we come back to the G and do it again. Down to an E minor, to an A major chord, A, C sharp, E, and then to a G, and we walk it down, A, C sharp, E, G, to a D7. And I'm going to play that D7 with F sharp, C, D. The D7 is D, F sharp, A, C. I'm just going to play the F sharp, C, D, and leave the A out because the A was kind of up in the melody, and then it just falls out of the sound right there. But if we take it together there, we can put it together and you can see it. I'll go slowly. Now here your hands are going to cross together if you don't get your left hand out of the way. That's why you got to move that down to this C down here. That's where I put those in there. And back up to the D. Now we do it again. then we've got this. And then when we go into the chorus, single note bass to a B minor. So it'll C, D, B minor. Then I play the third, C and E, D and F sharp, E and G. We're playing a C chord to a D chord to an E minor chord. But all I'm going to do is play two notes, C and E, D and F sharp, E and G, down to a G, B, D, C, E and G, G, E, A, F, G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. So we use a walking bass going back into the second verse. So let me go through the chorus there slowly so you can see it. So coming out of that second verse, they go right into the chorus, and then they play another chorus, and then they have a little riff in there, and then they have a tag chorus. Now they go ahead and just fade it out, but I'll put an ending on it. So take that first chorus where now here you're going to have walking bass into a D7. A, G, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, A, C to make that 7. In the right hand, we're going to just play a B, A, B, A. So that just fills. So they walk that bass down and they go to a D7 to lead you right back into the chorus again. So we've got... right back into the chorus. Walk again, but it keeps going down to that G. So you're going to walk down, and in the right hand you're going to turn it up. It's going to. That's where they kind of turn up the sound right there, and they're singing through that vocal right into this. Then we're going to go into a little riff right there that they play, and I'll tell you that in a second. So we get. They're going to go into a G, D, D, A, G, D, D, A. So we're going back and forth between those two harmonies. But in the right hand, you're going to play this. They use high instruments for this. And then they come back in with the trumpets. But I keep it all in one octave because it just seems like it works better on the piano. It's easier to play, and it doesn't stress your hands out so much, or your mind. And to synchronize those, you got G, D, G. Back and forth between a G harmony and a D7, and that leads you right back into the tag chorus again. Now then, for the tag chorus, I play it maybe a little bit softer and a little bit slower, and you can definitely slow down at the end. So it comes out. Then you're going to walk this down, and we're going to end with a G harmony, and I'm going to play a G and a D open in fifth in the left hand right there. So I definitely slow it down and soften it up. And in the right hand, as you're walking down, we're going to go to a D7. Now the D7, I'm going to voice C, D, F sharp, A, and then we'll follow that up going to a G just by sliding to to a B, D, G. So the last chord we're going to have voiced G, D in the left hand and B, D, G in the right hand. And the way it'll sound for that chorus is right here. So that 5-7, that D7 just resolves to the G. There you have it, Daydream Believer. Hope you enjoy playing it.